Hello, everyone. I once again welcome you all to our special series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. This is Varsha, your host for the day. The construction industry is the second largest employment provider and contributes more than 5% of Indian GDP. But the sector is largely dominated by the non organized players. The market has been eagerly looking for the disruptive startups to streamline the sector and make it a seamless process. The wait was over with the House Joy's launch. House Joy is a tech enabled solution company for all home related needs, right from the construction to on demand services and creating the space for a unique experience for its users. To provide with us a comprehensive understanding of the company and its successful journey, Mr. Sanchit Gaurav, the founder and CEO, is here to take us through. But before we actually start the conversation with him, let's quickly have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, Mr. Sanchit, how are you?
Very well, Varsha. Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
All right, so sir, before we actually enter into the question and answer segment, please tell us more about yourself and your profession.
All right. I'm Sanchit Gaurav and entrepreneur by heart and leading House Joy tech-enabled construction company as a CEO and founder. And I have around 20 plus years experience in the construction industry, and we are trying to solve the space, which is actually driven by a lot of unorganized player, and we are using a lot of technologies to solve this, so that anybody who's looking to build their home, it should be hassle-free journey for them. This is what we are trying to do.
All right, so Mr. Sanchit, how did you actually land up to the idea of starting up with this particular company itself?
Varsha, basically, if you see Bangalore or any tier two cities, something there, a lot of houses are getting built, a lot of layouts are coming up, a lot of old houses are getting demolished and rebuilt. So I was just thinking, okay, there everybody. If I have to ask someone, hey, I want to buy something, they will give me good number of developers or a builder where I can go and buy an apartment. But if somebody owns a plot and you want to build a single family house, there is no brand as such, right? So we thought, okay, why can't we start this through the technology, help of technology, which help customers to understand that the need of the hour and solve it for the hassle-free experience of somebody. So that's what we thought. Okay, let's start this and use some technology. And HouseJoy have a DNA of doing this home maintenance B2C services where we supply plumbers, electrician, carpenter through our app and technology. We said, okay, let's start this. So that's the idea popped up, and we said, okay, let's solve this space.
All right. So, Mr. Sanchit, everyone do faces certain hurdles in their journey. So, what were the challenges that you have to go through in your professional journey?
See, the moment we decide that, okay, we have to start this, and as everyone knows, that is a very unorganized sector. So obviously, changing the mindset of our civil engineers, laborers, labor contractors, and every day, even today, if it's not that we have solved, we are solving it. So major challenge, what or hurdle is the people who are not ready to understand that, okay, through technology can we solve the space. That's the major hurdle what we face.
All right. So, talking about the future, so what is your roadmap to it? What further plans do you have for the organization in the upcoming years?
So right now, basically, we want to reach across India, and we are already in three cities right now: Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai for our IRC verticals. And for B2C, we are already in six cities. We are in a quarter. We are looking to go another six more cities, and in a year's time, we'll be almost 15 cities we are planning to hit. And we want to come up with a lot of technologies which is going to solve my design, my execution process at site. And we are also having India's first construction experience center, so we also planning to start all in other cities as well.
And I wish you all the luck for all these plans of yours, Mrs. Anchal. All right. So now moving ahead, you must be knowing about the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan that is, going on in India at the moment. So, what are your thoughts and views on this campaign, and also how is your organization working towards this?
So Atmanirbhar Bharat mission is almost all about that you should do your own work, right, of your own, and you should be on your own. So obviously, as being a founder or an entrepreneur, rather, it's all that we have to be on our own, help people to get everybody on their feet, which we are doing it as team is concerned. And where my customers are concerned, we have come up with a new model of construction where we are giving all authorities to the customers so that they can decide on their own. So I think obviously Atmanirbhar mission, we are trying to solve like this, and I think it makes sense to everybody.
All right, Mrs. Anchit. So, what exactly are the product and services that House Joy is providing to people out there?
So we are into one-stop solution related to home. So basically, we design, we maintain, we build. So we do everything related to home. And if you need to build a house and you have a plot, so first we will design, we will help you with the government approvals, bank loans, and then we will design as per your need. Then once it is delivered, we will, anytime you can reach out to us through our technology for maintenance in terms of carpentry work, plumbing, home cleaning, all this. Also, we do. We are into this home maintenance construction. We said, okay, let's pamper the people who are staying at home. So we have salon at home as well. So all the services what we offer to customers.
So now there is this one question which I personally wanted to know the answer for, and that is, what are your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award? Like, how did you actually celebrated the news when you got the information that you have been chosen as an awardee for the same?
Wow, it's a great feel, yeah. I can't tell you. It's when you get some recognition what you are trying to do, and that too in our industry, which is very tough to solve, everyday struggle, uh, pandemic, and all that. If you get some recognition, you will be top of the world. And obviously, it's not only because of me; it's more than me. This award is actually for my team, and they have put in a lot of effort even today, yesterday, and I'm sure tomorrow. So this award is only for my team, and without team it's not possible. So I think I'm happy that and lucky to have a wonderful team with me. So at this time, I don't know, it's great feel, that's all.
All right, sir. So now moving ahead, if you can please tell us about your contribution towards the society, like in what way you are contributing towards the society.
I think contribution to the society is yes, as a social cause. Right now, we are actually going through the pandemic, so we are doing a lot of activity towards the COVID. Last year, we have done converted KSRTC bus into a fever clinic. We have done a lot of testings towards the corona patient and all that free of cost. And lot of we have a lot of service provider who are associated with us. So we have started the grocery delivery sanitization where all these people got engaged and they have made some money at very difficult time. And the other with our construction, We have a lot of labor sectors which are affected, our laborers. We are trying to help them to come back to the industry. And overall, this is what we are, our contribution is so much right now, especially given this pandemic.
All right. So, last but surely not the least, what message you would like to give to our younger generation who wish to become a successful entrepreneur someday?
Think smart, work hard.
All right. So that's a great piece of advice. Short yet very strong message you have given out there. All right, Mr. Sanchit, thank you so very much for being with us today. It was pleasure talking to you, and I wish you all the success for all your future endeavors, and may you continue to inspire us the way you are doing. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you very much.